Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Wash and Go Wednesday, which is a new series I'll be doing every week, doing different product combinations to get some bomb wash and goes. So for today's routine, I'm trying out a new product and I'm pairing it with a product I haven't used in quite a long time, and I definitely got some bomb results. So if you guys want to see this routine today, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. To start today's wash and go, I am starting on freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled hair. And the new product I'm going to be trying out today is the Glow Habit Superfood Hair Care Curl Custard. This is free from sulfates, parabens, and silicones. I have tried out the Glow Habit Curl Cream before, which I really liked, and you guys wanted to see the Curl Custard, so that's what we're going to be using today. As you can see, it does have a very thick consistency. This is going to be much thicker than their curl cream, so just make sure you're starting out with wet curls to make sure the product can glide throughout the hair. Since this is a thick product, I'm making sure to start out with a small amount to see how my curls are reacting. So far, my curls have been loving it. It is very moisturizing, it smells great, and I think I'm going to have a really good result. Now I'm going through my hair with a regular hair pick just to get out any leftover knots. I decided not to use any type of clumping brush today because I do want a little bit more volume. So leaving my hair light, fluffy, and separated is going to be a great way for me to have a very volumized result. Now that we're finished applying our curl custard, we're going to go in with the next product, which is the Eva-NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Styling Mousse. It is very light and fluffy, so try not to drop it on the floor like I did. This styling mousse is recommended for all hair types, and it is curly girl friendly, but it does have a water-soluble silicone, so that's going to be up to personal preference. I believe the last time I used this product for wash and go, I used it with a light leave-in and then applied this styling mousse over top, and it gave me a very full and voluminous soft wash and go, but I haven't used it on a curl cream as heavy as the one I used today, so I'm really excited to see the results. And to apply it, I'm just taking a few pumps on each side, running it through the curls, and then scrunching. Now that the mousse is fully applied, I'm going to go ahead and air dry today's wash and go, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final result. Alright guys, here we are the next morning with the final results. This wash and go came out so bomb. I even slept on it and didn't need to refresh it the next morning. My hair is so soft and moisturized. The mousse left a very light cast, which was really easy to break up, but still added a lot of definition and hold. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Wash and Go Wednesday product combination. Make sure to leave me any product suggestions down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next Wash and Go Wednesday.